So let's start our practical part.
Yes, sir.
So all you have to do is first find out the interfaces you have. For that you can write the command ifconfig. I can see all the interfaces I have, like I have ETH0 for Ethernet, WLAN with WLAN0 and LO for loopback, right? I want to monitor all the traffic for that interface WLAN0. For that I'm using the tool. Before that I'm using sudo su. Yeah, to monitor all the traffic through that interface WLAN0, write a command airmon-ng and start WLAN0. This will start monitoring on that interface WLAN0. We have two processes here which can impact the working of that monitoring part of this tool airmon-ng. To kill these processes, you can write the same tool airmon-ng check and kill. This will kill the process which will impact the working of that airmon tool. If I write ifconfig here, I have an interface that was WLAN0 converted from WLAN0 to WLAN-mon, right? After starting monitoring mode on that interface, all you have to do is record all the traffic through that interface. For that part I'm using a tool aerodump-ng and our interface name that was WLAN0 MON, right? When you press enter, this will show you a list of devices or list of Wi-Fi networks available in your area, right? So right now I'm targeting a network that was Craw Security 2G, and if I see here, I have this MAC address D1, and below this part I can see list of devices which are connected to this same network. So I have 4 devices connected to this D1, that was this, and this, right? So I'll simply forward the DOT packets to these machines, and when they try to reconnect, I'll capture the handshake. To capture the handshake or to forward the DOT packets, I'm using a tool that was air replay -ng -dot to send the DOT packets. If you want to limit the number of packets you want to send, just write the number of packets here, otherwise use 0. This will keep forwarding the DOT packets on that router. So I'll go with 20. I want to send only 20 packets for DOT -a to specify the MAC address of that router. So let me just copy the MAC address I have. So this is the MAC address I have, and paste, and at last write down the interface name that was WLAN0 MON. When you press enter, this will forward 20 DOT packets on that access point. But before forwarding these DOT packets, I want to capture the traffic. I want to record the traffic on that access point. For that part I'm using the same tool DOT, not DOT, aerodump-ng -bssid, that I want to record traffic only for that access point. MAC address -c for channel number. You can see channel number here. We have the channel number at 13. Channel number 13 -w for output file. Let's save the output in a file like root. Let's go with videos, and after videos let's go with file like Wi-Fi hack. This is my simple file name, Wi-Fi hack. This is my directory, root and videos. After this thing, just write out the interface name here, that was WLAN0 and MON, right? I want to record all the traffic for that interface WLAN0 MON. When you press enter, this will record the traffic, right? When you have started the recording part, just forward these DOT packets. Okay, I have to use sudo permissions. If any of the device try to reconnect with that access point, you will see the handshake here. So let's wait for the handshake. Channel number 12. Okay, that's a different channel. So channel number 13 we have for this WLAN0 MON and Craw Security 2G. So let me start listening again. Let me send these packets again. Yeah, so my packets are going. and let's wait for the handshake. I got the handshake here. When you get the handshake, all you have to do is crack the password from that handshake. For that part, use a tool aircrack -ng-w to specify the word list here. I have a word list in my directory like home, Siddharth, and abc.txt is my word list name, right? After this word list, you specify the file in which you have recorded the traffic. So I have a file in root and videos, and what my file name was the Wi-Fi hack -0, and I have a cap file here, cap. Okay, so let me verify the file. Root videos ls. We have multiple files here. Okay, so that was 02, right? So let's go with 02, and when you press enter, this will try to a dictionary attack for that password. So try all the words in that dictionary and try to crack the password for that Wi-Fi network. Yeah, I got the password. It was this one. So you can crack the password this way.